What subscription?
Music direction. With that, I will get more control.
They have all kinds of tacos. Let's see how it tastes. I'm not expecting anything. It's kind of expensive. 400 rupees? No. 300 rupees for one taco, chicken, and then 350 rupees for prawn taco, and 250 rupees for veg taco. That's still kind of expensive. Back in the States, we pay like, on Taco Tuesday, it's $1. Here's the music. So let's see. They have all kind of food. I feel like having a drink, but I'm not going to. They have French toast here. Yeah, you know your camera is perfect. Look, they have French toast. It is sweet. It has syrup on top with fruit for 180 rupees. That's good. I think I want to come here for breakfast.
Oh wow. I can see the details. Look at that.
I know. If you're in South Goa, check them out.
Oh wow. Look at that. Look at my screen. Oh, whoa.
Wow.
It's amazing.
Maybe I need to upgrade.
What is Samsung? Samsung, not this phone. Samsung S25 Ultra.
No, this phone. Why would I get another
The
phone?
Ultra is the same, but not the phone. It's not the phone, is the same thing. Similar phone.
Yeah, I don't really care for the phone.
Yeah, it's gonna be half price.
Half price
Yeah,
this time.
because it's $2,300.
For this.
Yeah, the same phone with more better features, better camera. It will be like $1,000.
Yeah, I don't care for the fold.
Yeah, you get 5 times bigger battery than that. Lasts for 2 days, 3 days.
I've been with Apple
I know, me too. I was with Apple for a long, long
for
time.
like 20 years.
I
don't know how long they've been around, but I've been with
You remember?
Apple.
I had Apple too. I was with Apple all the time.
Mm-hmm.
When I came to this, I don't care about Apple anymore. It's very easy to search. It's not big deal.
Yeah. Look it up online to see how much that phone costs. Single.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. I will take a picture of this.